Welcome back to Master Your Glass. I am Livio, and today I'm gonna make a cocktail with one of my favorite ingredients growing up, which was Nutella. Now, preparing for this show, I learned a really cool hack that I think is gonna be very valuable to you. So stay with me and let's get into this. Okay, I'm gonna dive right into the recipe here. In order to make this drink, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chill my cocktail glass just like I usually do. Give it a little spin here with my spoon, keep it nice and cold. As I grab my Boston shaker set here, over here on the glass side, I'm going to grab an egg. I'm gonna just crack it and put the whites of one egg right here into the mixing glass. It's important to do this step first because if you mess up the egg, you don't want to throw away the entire cocktail. The next ingredient I'm gonna put in here is a very big heaping tablespoon of Nutella, and I'm gonna use this spatula just to kind of help me scoop it in there. Next, I'm gonna put 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of Douce VSOP Cognac. And then I'm gonna follow that with a 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of Marie Brizard white Crème de Cocoa. Before I seal this up, I'm gonna go ahead and just throw 4 or 5 mint leaves in here. This drink's gonna be double strained anyway, so no need to get any fancier than that. And I am going to shake this first dry just to emulsify the egg white and the Nutella. And then after a nice, generous 30-second dry shake, I'm gonna go ahead and open the container, add the ice, and give this another 10-15 second shake with ice just to chill this bad boy up. Okay, once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and fine strain this cocktail right here into the cocktail glass. And a little float of mint right there is gonna make this drink amazing so that when I drink it, I'm gonna smell it. And let's see what this bad boy tastes like. Oh yeah. With all that Nutella in there, the Nutella flavor is actually subdued. Right amount of mint from the Marie Brizard and from the oil of the mint leaves, which I did shake in the drink, as well as from my aroma. The Nutella's there, it's really nice, but this drink is not cloying. There's a lot of nice booziness to it. Oh yeah, so now you might be asking me, Livio, egg whites, why? Well, it's actually important. I learned that watching a video from a gentleman by the name of Jacob Hulster, who works at the Watershed in Chicago, and he was also making a cocktail with Nutella. And because Nutella has palm oil in it, it doesn't really behave in the cocktail shaker like you would want it to. It's gonna just sit there and blob and probably not even dissolve in your cocktail. But the addition of the egg white emulsifies the Nutella itself, thus making it easy to work with in the cocktail. I feel like this is really important for all of you out there because if you, like me, have a passion for Nutella and love to put it in a cocktail, that right there is the way to go. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Master Glass. I hope you enjoyed learning how to mix some Nutella in a cocktail. I sure did enjoy not only preparing for this episode, making it, and also getting to drink this bad boy. And if you did, please give it a like and give me a subscribe and come back to Master Your Glass with me, Livio Lauro, where you get expert instruction for everyday consumption.